Hey guys, it's Silly Girl. Today I am just going to take some time to talk about a product that I especially love. It is the Capsule Kit from Midwest Grow Kits. I love eating mushrooms in capsule form. I know a lot of other people do. I got really sick and tired of stuffing them one by one. So this kit allows you to make 24 capsules at a time. I'll be making lion's mane capsules in this video. So to start, you will just have to clean off the mushrooms, get any substrate off, and then grind them up. I'm using a coffee grinder. So it's important to just do little by little, not large chunks. I learned that the hard way. The grinder could not handle it. So do little by little, and also put a plate underneath because there will be a lot of powder that's produced. And also, like, if this is a super clean area in your home, maybe move somewhere else because it was a little messy for me. Side note, I have used an herb grinder in the past. It works. It just does not get the mushrooms as fine as I would like them to, so that is why I'm using a coffee grinder. So following along with the instructions provided in the capsule kit, you will put the bottoms of the capsules into one end with the tray underneath it, and then you will put the tops on the other side. In case it's not obvious, you need the capsules to be open so that you could pour something over it. So you're going to take your mushroom powder, take a tablespoon and pour that over the top. Once that's good, you can take the provided spreader card and just spread out the mushroom powder. And then I'm also going to take the tamping device and push that down just so I can add as much powder as I'd like. I want these to be pretty strong, pretty high dosage, so I'm just going to add some more and just fill her up. So you're going to take the base off of the stand / tray thing and then put the top on and then just squeeze them together. The capsules are going to come off on the top, so just take off the base and then push the spring down on the lid, and then there you go, 24 fully filled capsules. Awesome. Thank you, Midwest Grow Kits, for this awesome product. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.